Okay, so let's get an update on your BTC chart and other layer 1 charts. Okay, so let's go straight to your BTC chart. Okay, so as of now, we know if you watch yesterday's video, you know that we are expecting a good pump on Bitcoin to go around 30,800, and from here we said it's decision time. But right now, your Bitcoin is looking too bullish because it kind of did the bullish pattern right here. If you see, you'll see it on a 30 minutes time frame, which I'll show you right now. Okay, so right now you know that your Bitcoin did this a triangular pattern right here, and it's more probably very bullish once it did it over here. So as of now, if you see on a 4-hour chart, I'll show you right now. So right now, if you all want to re-enter, which yesterday I told that I'm selling it around here once Bitcoin reaches around 30,800. Okay, so right now to re-enter, your Bitcoin needs to do this. Okay, on a 30 minutes time frame. Right now your Bitcoin needs to break this resistance, make a support on a 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 30 minutes time frame needs to do break this, make a support. That's the time we know it's very bullish, and we need to enter our longs here, and we'll ride it to your next resistance, which is around here at around $31,314. And from here it's again back again decision time for Bitcoin. It's either going to break this resistance to go up, or it's going to go down from here, which we can short it. Okay, so right now you know that it needs to do this. Okay, for your Bitcoin, another next candle it will break, and if it does this, then we can enter, or you know from here it can just go down back to this support. Okay, so right now we'll take all this data and go into your Ethereum and other layer 1 chart. But first, if you like content like this, just hit the like button so that YouTube recommends videos like this for you, and I also know that you like videos like this, update videos on Bitcoin. Okay, so now let's go straight to your Ethereum chart, and let's take all that same data what we know and go into your Ethereum chart and see exactly where your Ethereum needs to do it. Okay, so right now, since your Bitcoin is going to break that 30,800 resistance, your Ethereum needs to break this resistance, which is around 1,900 resistance. Okay, so right now we'll re-enter. Right now we sold. Okay, only we'll re-enter once your Ethereum also on a 30 minutes time frame breaks this resistance, make a support. That's the time we'll re-enter. Okay, so mainly your Bitcoin will already do that, so we don't need to wait over here. Once your Bitcoin does this thing, okay, once your Bitcoin does, will directly enter on Ethereum, whether it's here, sometimes it be here early. So we'll directly enter on Ethereum. We don't need to wait for Ethereum. Only once your Bitcoin does that, break, make support, we'll enter. Okay, and we'll ride it all the way to your next session, which is around $1,924 of your Ethereum. And from here, once it reaches here, and if it reaches here, you know that it's decision time for your Ethereum, and your Ethereum has more probably reached $31,314. Okay, so if your Bitcoin breaks that resistance, your Ethereum will also break, and we need to put a long position here. And if it doesn't break this resistance, it's going down, and we can short it. Okay, so now let's go into your next chart, which is a Solana chart. Okay, so as of now, you can see your Bitcoin, if your Bitcoin breaks that 30,800 resistance, which we're expecting it to break. Okay, so I'm saying that is bullish. Okay, so right now it kind of gave that small triangular pattern. If you see on the 30 minutes, you'll see. Okay, for Solana chart. Okay, so as of now, you can see that you go on a 1 hour 30 minutes time, you can see that it's done that small triangular pattern, and it's more probably going up from here, where we need to enter it right here. Okay, so Bitcoin, more probably we are expecting a break. So right now your Bitcoin is more probably going to $31,314. Okay, so only we attack your Solana only once it does that on 30 minutes time, breaks, makes support. Okay, then we'll attack onto your Solana trade. Okay, and we'll ride it all the way to this resistance around $23.53. Okay, so if this happens and your Bitcoin more probably reach that $31,315, and from there it's decision time. So also for Solana price, it's over here. Okay, whether it will break this, or from here it will go down, whether we need to short it. Okay, so now let's go into your next chart, which is your DOT. Okay, so for DOT, for your Bitcoin right now we're expecting it to go to $31,314. So if your Bitcoin goes there, your DOT will go to this resistance around $5.42, and from here for DOT is decision time, whether it breaks this. Only if your Bitcoin breaks, this will break. If your Bitcoin dumps, it will dump from here. Okay, from this resistance around $5.42. Okay, So right now you can see that your Bitcoin is pumping, your dot's also pumping. So this is being the resistance. This is being a small resistance for your dot, where your Bitcoin is around 30,800. You can see it right here, right? Okay, so now let's go into your next chart, which is your AVAX. Okay, so right now you can see that your AVAX is not pumping with Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is pumping, the AVAX is going on a downwards trend. Okay, so that's why we don't need to trade this chart. Okay, but your normal resistance for your dot, if it goes up, it will be this resistance around $13.77. And from here it's decision time. Once your Bitcoin reaches that $31,314 for dot, it's here, and your dot will break only if Bitcoin breaks that $31,000 resistance, or from here it's down. Okay, so but you can see right now, you can see that your Bitcoin is pumping, your AVAX is just giving a small pump. Okay, so we'll stay away from this chart. Okay, so now let's go into your next chart, which is your Cardano. Okay, so for Cardano right now needs to break this small resistance, which if your Bitcoin breaks that 30,800, it's more probably, which we are expecting it to break, going to break, and your Bitcoin is going to break and going to reach that $31,314, which your Cardano is this resistance, where it reaches around 0.30 cents. And from here, if your Bitcoin breaks that $31,000 resistance, which we are talking about, you know that your Cardano also will break this resistance. If it doesn't break, then you know we need to short it right here once it gives a higher low, and we'll ride it all the way to this support at around 0.28 cents. Okay, so if you want to see my exact trades, I just enter the Discord link. It will be in the YouTube description. Okay, so till then, I'll see you in the next video. If you like content like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ping the notification bell so you're updated on the videos and you're early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.